Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 30 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how to pass data from controller to view with the help of ViewData. This is continuation to part 29, View Imports in .NET Core MVC. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. Let's get back to Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working on. I already deleted the additional layout pages, view import files, along with additional HR employee folder within model, which we created in our last couple of videos for demo purposes. Now, if you look at our index.cshtml page, you can see we already specified at the top that we are expecting model of type list. List of employee class. These are known as strongly typed views because we strongly coupled our views with this class. Benefits, as already discussed, like it will give compile time intelligence, less error prone, and it is by far the best way to transfer data from controller to view. But only for larger data. What if we only need to pass the page title from controller to view? The reason could be anything. Maybe your SEO team updated data into the database for every page. You are fetching it from the database and don't want to hard code page titles for view. For such small information, you don't want to create a new class and make the view strongly typed. Right? Let's see how we can pass data or these small information with the help of ViewData. Let's go to employee controller. Here, within index action method, we are already passing a list of employees to our view. Leave it as it is, no modification required. Let's type ViewData, square bracket, and you can see it is accepting index of type string. Just like a dictionary, it works on key value pair. Let's go to its definition by pressing F12. And you can see this property is of type ViewData dictionary. And if you go to the definition of ViewData dictionary by pressing F12, you can see this class is inherited by iDictionary of type string, object. Let's go to our controller and let's give any meaningful key name to this ViewData dictionary. Let's say message. And the message will be manage your team. And that's it. The responsibility of controller ends here. Let's just copy our ViewData and get back to our view. Replace the message with ViewData. Now ViewData is a part of C# class. So to use C# code, we need to use razor syntax. And here, razor syntax means @ symbol. So simply prepend the @ symbol. And that's it. Save and run the program. And you can see we are getting the message as expected. Let's go to Visual Studio. Now you can see within loop, if I change the ID to IDD, then straight away I start getting compile time errors. And if I change the ViewData key, say messages instead of message, I will not get any compile time intelligence. So this is one of the disadvantages we have with ViewData. Let's save and refresh the page. You can see data is not provided and we are not getting any error either. All right, next. Let's say we don't want to create our view tightly coupled even for larger data. Can we pass this data with the help of ViewData? And the answer is absolutely. Let's see that. Go to controller, create another ViewData, and let's say name the key to employees. Assign already fetched employee data, and done. Controller responsibility ends here. Let's get back to our view. Remove the model object at the top. Let's correct our message view data as well. Next, instead of model in the loop, change it to view data within square bracket employees. And here is the change. For view data of type string, in messages, no explicit casting is required. But for class, or you can say for complex type, we need to tell compiler what kind of data we are expecting from this view data. So let's type list of employee as list of employee. And that's it. Save and run the code. You can see working as expected. Till now, we are only receiving view data information passed from controller action method. We can also set view data property and used it in layout page as well. So we will set view data within view and pass it to layout page. Let's see that. As we know, view data is server-side code, so we need to use razor syntax. And for razor syntax, we need to use @ symbol. Let's use @ and then curly braces. Let's define view data and let's say title is equal to, and let's say any meaningful title to this page, and let's say list of all employees. List of all employees. So we want our layout page to use this view data and display page title. If you look at the page title, right now it is displaying any title, just the URL, which is the default behavior of browser. So let's use view data in our layout page. Just copy it from index view and paste it within title property. All right, save and execute once again. You can see we are getting the title as list of employees. Let's go to its view source. You can see within title we are getting list of all employees. All right, let's recap what we had learned in this video. View data is used to transfer data from controller action method to view. Useful when sending small information. Will not provide compile time intelligence, and dependencies only resolved at runtime. Inherited from iDictionary, so you can think of it as a traditional dictionary we used in C#, works on key value pair. Views and view data referred as a weakly type views, as compiler doesn't have required information at compile time. We can also set view data within view and pass it to layout page. Hope you get the use and usage and importance of view data. Alright then, that's it in this video. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in comments. Till then, thanks for watching.